WP Engine Coupon Code. Are you ready to experience the best managed WordPress hosting with WP Engine? Yes, you are. Follow these 2 simple steps to activate your WP Engine coupon code. Step 1. Click in the link provided in our video description. Step 2. Add our coupon code, WPE for free. That's it. Use our exclusive WP Engine coupon code, WPE for FREE, to get the best deal available when you sign up for a new account. We have partnered with WP to bring you the best promotional deal. What is WP Engine? WP Engine is a leading provider of managed WordPress hosting solutions. It's designed to optimize the performance and security of WordPress websites, allowing users to focus on creating and growing their online presence without worrying about technical complexities. Ease of use. One of the standout features of WP Engine is its intuitive interface and user-friendly dashboard. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress pro or a novice, navigating WP Engine's platform is a breeze. From setting up your website to managing plugins and themes, WP Engine streamlines the entire process, making it accessible to users of all skill levels who should use WP Engine. WP Engine is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and high-performance hosting solution for their WordPress website. Whether you're an entrepreneur, blogger, small business owner, or enterprise-level corporation, WP Engine caters to your needs with its scalable infrastructure and tailored plans. Links below video description to grab your big discount with WP Engine WordPress hosting. Thank you for watching our video. Have a wonderful day.